pretty. I'm looking forward to checking out the garden. Grab a quick bite before we start our walk, our hike, to check out this beautiful hill town. I'm excited to see the views. They're supposed to be incredible, so I'm looking forward to that. But driving here was a sight. But once I arrived, parking? I drove around for about like 10 or 15 minutes and I circled back to the entrance of the garden. And I got lucky because parking opened up. At first they had a sign that said completely full, but then it opened up once I circled back around, so winning. And the minute I parked and we walked out, there was a massive line of cars trying to park, so it's our lucky day. Our wheels for this hot hill.
Wow,
Yes. Sculpture garden down below. I don't know if we're gonna check that out, but I want to do dolphins. This weather is perfect for these plants because it's about a kabillion degrees up here.
It's not a kabillion.
Totes.
It's a trillion. I'm too hot. I'm sweating. Sweating's not good for you. Yes, it is.
My plan was to wear a really cute dress and get really cute, but
your
the way this
natural
heat is set up.
I know why cactuses can survive in this heat. They're out in the desert. Wait. Did you know that bats pollinate cacti? Huh? What? Bats pollinate cacti. Ooh. It's just like the bees. I've also spotted the airport.
An airport. We don't know which one, huh?
See, look. The airport, or an airport, is right there.
That's where we had lunch.
Where? That big,
Yeah, and you see the green tents down, the green umbrellas down there? That's where we got the ice cream. So this is the space I have to work with to get in here. It is toy.
You have a toy body.
Toy.
Toy like a tiger.
Toy like a toiger.